Day of lot of twists and turns. Well, the market started off quiet, and that's how we spent the better part of today's trading session. IT finally came to the market's rescue in the last lap and dragged the index up, closing in with 15,790, a print for the Nifty Futures, almost a 100-point gain coming in. Can't say the same about the broader end of the market because that continued to lag even up until close. We had 96 F&O stocks standing to the red line. On the gaining ground was Infosys, a winner within the Nifty, the top winner in fact, a 3.5% gain roughly coming in the Infy Futures. TCS gain about 3%. Techem held out by about 2.5%. And of course, the mid-cap IT names like a Coforge as well penciled in a 4% traction for themselves. Not just that, you had a whole host of other stocks as well which participated in the Nifty move today. You had Tata Steel, JSW Steel, Asian Paints, L&T, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Bajaj Finance, Nestle. They were all contributors to the index move today. But there was much excitement, not just because of the two new listings, or for that matter because it was expiry day today, but for Reliance's 44th AGM, which went in well post the market hours. The speech that is, you had Reliance actually close in after a flat better part of today's trading session at the session lows. A 2.6% cut is what Reliance Industries saw for itself, and the stock has shut shop at that 2150 thereabout share price. It was in fact the biggest drag on the index today. Had it not been for Reliance, perhaps we could have spun magic and maybe a dash even at the all-time high for the index once again. But yes, Reliance was a drag. I guess the true price discovery after the AGM is only going to come in tomorrow, given that the speech went in post-market hours. That said, Apollo Tyres, Jubilant Foodworks, you had an MGL, you had an Idea, which lost about 4% in today's trading session. A lot of high flyers when it came to the liquid universe on the gaining side as well. I was just talking about the strength across the IT universe. Aside of Coforge, there was also Infosys, which also held very smartly. Then, of course, you had a Mindtree as well, which gained ground by about 2.6%. MFSL was the other big winner. We were talking about BEL same time yesterday as to how it shot up into double digits after its numbers. BEL was a stock which held out very smartly, and today as well it saw very smart follow through price action, a 2% gain coming in there. But the showstopper really were the two new listings today. Shyam Metalics, a better response to the IPO, although it has to be said that what stole the limelight in trade today was Sona BLW. A lukewarm response to the IPO, a base price of 291, but this was locked in upper circuit soon after its listing with a premium of about 7 to 9% to its issue price, and has managed to close with a handsome gain on the closing bell. So starting off a new series tomorrow. We've had 3 consecutive series of gains for the index. Let's see what the new series throws up at us tomorrow.